Welcome the our channel. Today we how to install Hotjar on your website to improve UX detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Hotjar on your website, begin by visiting the Hotjar website. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one. After signing up, log in to your Hotjar account. Once logged in, create a new site by clicking on the Add Site button. Enter your website URL and name in the provided fields. Click Add Site to save your details. Next, you'll be directed to the installation page. Choose the installation method that suits you best. If you prefer using a script, select the Install Hotjar option. You will find a tracking code displayed on the screen. Copy this tracking code to your clipboard. Now, navigate to your website's content management system or HTML files. If you are using a CMS like WordPress, go to the dashboard. Locate the area where you can insert custom scripts or code. In most cases, this option is available under Settings or Theme Editor. Paste the Hotjar tracking code in the header or body section. Ensure that the tracking code is placed above the closing /head tag. If you are using a website builder, check for an option to add custom scripts. Incorporate the tracking code as directed by your site's builder. After implementing the tracking code, save your changes. Next, return to your Hotjar account. To verify that the installation was successful, go to the Site section. You will see your newly added site listed there. Hotjar typically requires some time to start collecting data. You can check back in a few hours to see if data is being recorded. Additionally, consider configuring heat maps and session recordings to enhance your UX insights. Experiment with different features within Hotjar to better understand user behavior. With these steps completed, you are now ready to begin analyzing your website's user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.